अस्सलाम वालेकुम। आज की वीडियो में मैं आपके साथ वो MCQs जो कि PPSC एग्ज़ाम की प्रिपरेशन के लिए बहुत हेल्पफुल रहेंगे वो शेयर करूँगी। तो चलिए स्टार्ट करते हैं। द मेडिसिन प्रिपेयर्ड बाय जेनेटिक एक्सचेंज इन बैक्टीरिया इज़ इंसुलिन। So insulin was one of the medicine that was prepared by the genetic exchange in bacteria. The leaves that bear sporangia are called sporophylls. वो लीव्स जिसके अंदर स्पोरेंजिया होते हैं वो स्पोरोफिल्स कहलाते हैं. You can see in this diagram. Saprophytic organism is earthworm, Eugenia, amoeba, fungi. So the saprophytic organism is fungi that gets energy from dead and decaying organic matter. Match list 1 correctly with list 2 and select your answer using the codes given below. So the carrot is root, groundnut is cotyledon, ladyfinger is fruit and potato is stem. So the option 1 is correct. Consider the following statements. The DNA controls all the activities of the cell. It transfers the hereditary characters from one generation to the next. Yes. It controls protein synthesis. Yes. It produces RNA. So the option D is correct. Atmospheric nitrogen can be fixed by Anabaena. Anabaena is one of the plankton that is responsible for the fixation of nitrogen in the atmosphere. Penicillium is a fungus, green mold, bacterium, a medicine. Penicillium is not bacterium and it is not used in medicine. So I think the option 1 and 2 is correct. So yes. Fungi cell wall made up of chitin, we know that. Which one of the following plants is used in the treatment of jaundice? It is Eclipta alba, which is used in the treatment of jaundice. Yerkan. Which one of the following is wrongly matched? Rhizobium symbiotic, Streptococcus lactis vinegar production, Azotobacter nitrogen non-symbiotic fixation, yeast fermentation. So option 2 is correct because Streptococcus lactis is not responsible for the vinegar production, but it is used in the early stages for the production of many cheeses including brie, camembert, cheddar, etc. The smallest angiosperm is Wolffia. You can see in this diagram it is the smallest angiosperm which is known as Wolffia. Identify the correct sequence of the following. In respiration we know that the breakdown of glucose into pyruvic acid starts from glycolysis, then Krebs cycle, electron transport chain and ATP synthesis. The option C is correct then. The stiffness of paddy straw is due to hard fibers. Rice straw is a rice byproduct produced from when harvesting paddy or agricultural feed where rice is grown. So hardness of paddy straw owes to the presence of high cellulose content. So the option 1 is correct. Which of the following plants is endemic? Ginkgo is one of the plant which is endemic. The wood is made up of primary xylem, we know that. What kind of plant is an alga? Chlorophyllus is one of the plant which is alga. Berry fruit is found in tomato. A species restricted to a given area is endemic species, okay, which is native to a place and is not found anywhere else in the world. Mycology is the study of fungi, we know that. A saprophytic organism is fungi that produce spores. It is believed that life evolved in its early stage under oxygen freeze condition. Which one of the following organism might have been able to survive in that environment? It was obligate anaerobic bacteria that was able to survive in that environment in free oxygen. From eukaryotes is DNA, protein, RNA, membrane-bound organelles. So it is membrane-bound organelles that differ prokaryotes from eukaryotes. Pro means before, karyon पे nucleus, so it doesn't contain true nucleus in its body. Eukaryotes are those organisms that have true nucleus. Sexual reproduction is absent in which of the following group of fungi mentioned below? So deuteromycetes is one of the fungi that lake sexual reproduction. It reproduces asexually by budding or by spores.